If you've tried to install Downloader today and suddenly it's gone, you're not imagining it. Downloader has been removed from the Amazon App Store, but don't panic. This is expected to be temporary. Now here's exactly what happened, why it happened, and what you can do right now. If this is happening to you, drop a like so I know to keep you updated. The developer of Downloader has confirmed that the app has been suspended from the Amazon App Store. This affects Firestick, Fire TV and Fire tablets. Amazon's reason is simple. They restrict third-party browser apps. With the recent Downloader 2.0 update, the app started registering itself as a browser. That's what triggered the suspension. Amazon hasn't removed it from your device, just from the App Store. If you already have Downloader installed, it will stay on your device and keep working. That's why some people still have it working and others can't find it at all. It's not your device and it's not permanent. A fix is already in progress. A new version has been submitted to Amazon which removes the browser registration. And once that's approved, Downloader should return to the App Store. This usually takes just a few days. Now I'm tracking this constantly, so as soon as Downloader is back, I'll post an update. If you want that, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. But if you can't wait, here's how to install apps right now. Now, this is the most important part. There are already fake apps appearing in the App Store. They use similar names to Downloader, but they are not the real app. Some of them charge subscription fees. The real Downloader has always been free, so don't install anything like that. If you already have Downloader installed, you're fine. If you don't, and you need to install apps today, here's the fastest workaround. It uses an app called Appstore. And the best part is, you can use your phone to search and install apps, which is actually easier than using the Firestick remote. Install Appstore on your Android phone or tablet. Then download the apps you want. You can get them from 28907.net. That's the same page the downloader code 28907 would usually open on your Firestick. To make this work, you need to enable ADB debugging. This lets Appstore send apps from your phone to your Firestick. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV. If you don't see developer options, go into About, highlight your device name, and press Select 7 times. Then go into Developer Options and turn on ADB debugging. Make sure your phone and Firestick are on the same Wi-Fi. Then open Appstore. Tap on Setup and it will automatically search for Fire TV devices on your network. Select your Firestick from the list. Once you connect, you'll see a prompt on your Firestick. Make sure you accept the ADB connection. Now select the app on your phone and install it. It will send it directly to your Firestick. If you want a full step-by-step guide on this, just comment below. I have covered this before, but I'll update it properly for the new version. If you're using an iPhone, this specific method won't work. You will need an Android phone or tablet for this. If Downloader doesn't come back quickly, I'll show an iPhone method as well. This is just a temporary issue. Downloader should be back soon once the update is approved. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.